Okay, so here we're going to be going over the practice problem from the review for chapter 4, 4.3 to 4.4. All right, so let's look at the first problem. We're told to write the following log expression as a set of sum and difference so that it has no exponents or radicals remaining. Okay, so we have log base 4, 3 square root of x plus 2 divided by 4y times z minus 1 cubed. Okay, so any problem that requires you to work with log it's necessary to remember all the properties. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and write out the properties as a reminder. So we have, if you have log of some base of different things being multiplied, then you can set it up as a sum of each piece. If you have different things being divided, you can set that up as a subtraction or a difference, where you do the numerator minus the denominator. If you have something to some power, you can move the power forward so that it's the power times your log. And then additionally, if you have something of some log base and these bases match your argument, this would equal 1. So if I have log, which is known as common log, and no base is given, that's log base 10. So if I have a log of 10, that's equal to 1. Same way if I have, natural log of e, well, that's log of base e. So log of base e and e gives me 1. All right. So those are the main properties that we're going to need to solve the problems in this question 1. All right, now going back to the problem. So let's first split this using this log property that allows us to write the numerator and denominator as a difference. So we're going to have log of 4, 3 square root of x plus 2 minus log of 4y z minus 1 cubed. Okay. Now, notice that if you see here you have 3 times the square root. And over here, you have 4 times y times x minus 1 cubed. So these are all being multiplied. And we know for multiplication, those can be split into addition. Okay, so let's go ahead and split these into addition. So we get log 4 of 3 plus log 4 square root of x plus 2 minus, now anything after the minus sign, I would recommend putting in parentheses. So we get log 4 of 4 plus log 4 of y plus log 4 z minus 1 cubed. Okay. Now we're going to do a couple of things. Notice here, this part is square root. Now, just a reminder, if you have square root of something, that's the same as that to the power of half. So I'm going to go ahead and change this to x plus 2 to the power of half. Yeah, and then I'm going to also, this is the reason why I said to put this in parentheses, I'm going to distribute this negative sign. Okay. So let's go ahead and do that. We get log of 4, 3 plus log of 4x plus 2 to the power half minus log 4 of 4 minus log 4 of y minus log 4 of z minus 1 cubed. Okay. Finally, let's use this property that allows us to take the powers and move it forward to get this. So we can apply that to this term right here, moving this power over forward. We get half log 4 of x plus 2. We can also apply that at the end by putting this 3 in front of the log 4, z minus 1. Lastly, notice here we have 4 base and 4 argument. So we can now apply this rule that says if the base and argument match, you end up with log equal to 1. So this becomes -1. Right. And that is it. That is the our answer. Oh, this is an interesting color. Oh, but this is our answer. Yeah.